Hello everyone, my name is Vanshaj Desai and I am from Dahod. My only motive to come Ahmedabad is for studies, and the first thing I came to know is Navkar Institute. I am associated with Navkar not only through my CA journey but also previous that from Navkar Public School. I have done my schooling from there. Navkar, it has one of the world's best infrastructure facilities. It provides centralized AC classrooms, CCTV surveillances, card punching system, a supportive admin staff, and its help in providing PG facilities for the students like me who are not from Ahmedabad city. One of the best thing about Navkar are its faculties. They don't only motivate and guide you for your studies, but they also help you in building a better character, which help you through all the stages of your life. Recently, Navkar has also started providing video lectures along with classroom lectures, which helps the student to guide and motivate in their home and not only in the institute. Navkar, it has the highest number of ranks in all the stages of the CA. Navkar Institute, we believe in the best.